Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Dylan. Today I'm out here in my sweater, so that means the weather is half decent. It's not too bad. Yeah, so it's not car season right now, but today we're going to be working on the hybrid racing short shifter. Going to be installing on the FA5. I'm excited for this mod. It should improve the car dramatically. Yeah, it's just going to help the daily drivability when you're going through the gears. Make the car more fun to drive and stuff like that. So gonna get into it. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long. I'm hoping it takes an hour tops. I'm gonna be following the guide on hybrid racing website. They have the list of tools. I got them all already. Gonna be in there, so let's go and get it. So here's the shifter right here, still in the box. Yeah, gonna get right into it. For this install, you know I gotta be cozy. I'm in the moccasins. Y'all like my fashion? But anyway, yeah, let's get into this install. Should be fun. So before we do this install, I did say I was going to show you guys the interior lighting. So for the most part, I got all the wires in the center console here. And then what I did is I split each direction in 4. So one to the front, driver, passenger, and to the back. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like real quick. So let me be quick before I drain my battery again. But this is what it looks like. 1 second, guys. So you got the remote. Just push it on. And you got the lights. Got the driver's side. You got the back. So you can change the colors. You got blue, yellow, orange. The whole lot, you know? You got everything. So it's a fun little mod. I'm gonna see how I like it, and then yeah, I'm rocking with it right now, and I'm just gonna see how I like it. So that's that. So now it's time to work on the short shifter. The first thing I'm gonna do is pop off the shifter trim, take off the shift knob, and then take out this first part of the center console. E-brake has to be up, and all that fun jazz. So I'm gonna work on that, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so the first step is complete. Remove the console, shift knob came out, the shifter trim and the boot, and then I pulled up on the console and then everything just came out. So now we're going to be unscrewing this part over here, this 3, and stuff like that, and then continue on with the process. So far so good. When you're doing these installs, you just gotta be careful. Like, you don't want to drop these bolts, and like if you do drop it in here, like that's a whole mission. I don't want to jinx myself, but yeah, that's what I always think when I'm doing these installs. And just like that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, slowly but surely making some progress. You gotta remove the screws in there, in the center console, and then you see that tab over there, the push tab, that needs to be removed. And then on the passenger side, the same thing, there's another tab. So all of this stuff, all the plastic has to be removed, so you can slide the whole center console off, so you can remove the cables. That's probably the only hard thing about this install, is getting all the plastic. You can see the cables right there. Down over there, that's the stuff you have to screw counterclockwise, and then you have to remove the prongs off the cable. You see the blue part right here, you got to remove the prongs off of it. You just remove the 2 over there, and then you can access the cable. So the hard part is getting all the plastic and the tabs out to slide the whole center console out. So that's where I'm at.
Many minutes later.
Holy. So look what we got going on over here. I ended up having to remove the whole center console. The hardest part, so I got the OEM shifter out. These bolts right here are just 12 millimeters, took them out. But the hardest part is these cables, man. Like, you have to rotate this counterclockwise. You want to focus on the black portion over here. But man, it was tough. It took me a while to get it off, but finally did it. Just have to install the new shifter. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I wanted to get some daylight. The car's outside. The install is pretty much done. Let me just show you guys. Shifter is now in place. Look at the gold, man, it's popping. Looks good. Got the badge, put the shift linkage back. The only problem I'm having is with these two parts right here. To shorten the throws on the short shifter, you have to extend this out and extend this part out, and then you have to lock it with the nut over here. But this nut, I was trying to lock it, but it just wouldn't work for me, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then another thing, I might change the shift knob to match with the short shifter. Well, this one looks okay, but I think I want something a little bit more fancier, you know, just to make the short shifter complete. So everything works. Neutral, hella short, feels good in the hand, it's nice and firm, and what I expected. I also have to trim this part, I think, just a bit, just for more clearance with this part. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. I'm still trying to tuck in the lines for the LED lights, and then after that, I'm gonna put everything back together, bolt it up, and we're good to go. So before I put everything back together, just gonna go for a quick little drive. You know, it's winter season, it gets dark early. Man, hybrid racing short shifter looks really good. Nice and stiff. Not in a bad way, but it gives you more feedback in the shifts, and I can't wait to experience it. So let's go for a drive. Oh man, it's hella short. It's cheating. Man, this shit is so short. Like, it's so easy. Man, if you race someone in a short shifter, that's cheating. If you don't have a short shifter, you're racing someone with a short shifter, this is really cheating. Feels so good, man. Like, watch this, first and second. Easy. Man, this hybrid racing short shifter, perfect, 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 perfect. 100% worth the money. You're gonna feel the difference every day when you drive the car, when you're shifting. Yeah, it's just gonna make the drive more fun. I'm enjoying it already, so yeah, I recommend it. Should have got this a while ago, but that's how the build is. Take your time while building and just build your vision. But anyway, I'm gonna close the video over here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Quick little install, kinda. Took some time to get the cables out, but other than that, it's pretty much a bolt-on. And yeah, 100% recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna do my best this year to put out some nice content. Also follow the brand at highbeams.ca on Instagram. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.